Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can join private servers on Roblox. So the step number one is to open Roblox and find the game. So just launch the Roblox application and search for the game that has private servers available. Next step is to access the games page. So just click on the game to open its main page and view available options. Next is to look for the Servers tab below the game title and click on it to view the server options. So once you're done with that, just scroll all the way down to find this private servers section showing available private servers. And then lastly is to click on join on an existing private server, or you can also create private server to make your own. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can join private servers on Roblox. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!